Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Today we're going to do a Reuben. We got this new little things of Reubens that are going to be delicious. We're going to give these a try tonight. We're just going to make a quick Reuben. Call it Cooking with Corey. Hey, I learned it from Lassie's Food and Barbecue. Hey, I'll leave him a link up here, down there, leave a link somewhere. Here's a Quick with Corey coming up next. Alright guys, our ingredients are as follows. Corned beef in little square patties. Do them up quick. So it's going to be our meat, obviously. Butter, sauerkraut, good old Thousand Island, why not? Some good old rye bread, and some good old Swiss cheese. We're gonna get this cook going next. Alright, let's get this party started here. A little bit of oil. And we're gonna put in, make it a big Sandy. We're gonna put in 2 pucks of that corned beef that we got. Absolutely, you could use whatever you find lunch meat wise, corned beef, or make your own corned beef and then make your Reuben from that corned beef, which is absolutely the best, but it's nothing we're rolling today. Keep going. Let that cook down. Move that to the side. Put our sauerkraut in there. Here's sauerkraut. We'll bring it to our other pan over here. And then we're gonna toast some delicious rye bread with a little bit of butter and Swiss cheese. Then we'll throw our sandwich together and we'll make a great Reuben. It's Quickie with Corey. Alright, we got our delicious corned beef basically cooked on the way. Add our sauerkraut to that. Just want to warm that up a bit. Make our Sammy go better. Hey, the Reuben is on its way. Alright guys, we need to butter these up. And then we're going to get them over on the stove to melt our cheese, etc. So a nice layer of butter. Alright guys, back to the stove top. Let's get our bread on here. So we got 1, 2, 3 and 4 pieces of rye. So those are starting to get delicious there. And what we need to do now is start topping our Sammys here. So we'll use the corned beef. Each one of these delicious Reubens. So, like so. Alright, then we're gonna give them a little delicious topping of our Swiss cheese on this one side over here. There's 2 slices. 2 slices for each piece of bread. There we go. And I like to do a slice between my meat and my sauerkraut because I do have it heated up, so that should melt for us. And then Thousand Island dressing we talked about, so that will good old goop on the top there. That's going to be your top of your Sammy. Just a little bit of shoot there. There we go. Then you take your sauerkraut, goes on top like so. Get our other Sammy, get our sauerkraut on there, like so. Alright guys, now we wait for some stuff to melt and some stuff to get brown. It won't be long. They're looking real good here. I'm sure our brownies do good under the side, so by impeccably keep clean hands, we're going to top that one. And we're going to top our other, like so. Give a little bit of a smush. Give them a flip, opposite way like so. And guys, our Reubens are basically done. What we're doing is melting some cheese now, getting this nice and crusty, which it already pretty much is. You know what next? We're just gonna plate that up and eat some delicious Sammys. Doesn't get better than that, peeps. Nice, easy, fast Reuben. Alright, here's a finished product. Looking pretty good. I'll tell you what. It's a delicious looking Reuben. Get our knife out. Give it a cut. See how we look on the inside here, guys. There you got it. I'd like to thank you for watching Cooking with Corey. You can watch the Cooking Quick with Corey. There's our Reuben. It's going to be delicious. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Cue the outro.